Good morning to Ms. Sabaria and my fellow friends. Today I am going to present about our mini project and the title is an investigation of library facilities at Seberang Perai Polytechnic. So my name is Sudashni Ravi and this is other my group members. Sharmila Sundar 10 DEP 19 F1005, Sharvina Subramaniam 10 DEP 19 F1050 and Roshni Erithasan Prabha 10 DEP 19 F1070. So let's look at our introduction. So the first thing is improve the students' experience, and the second one is give learners the possibility to use computers and engage with digital resources that cover many subjects, and the third one, Polytechnic students are satisfied with the library facilities.
Hi guys, my name is Sharvina Subramaniam and my metric number is 10 DEP 19F1015. So the objectives are to investigate Polytechnic students' satisfaction on library facilities, and the second one will be to receive students' feedback to improve library facilities, and the last one is to improve students' comfortability using the library. So the methodology for this investigation is 50 respondents. All data collection was anonymous. Online questionnaire using Google Form, and all departments which are JP, JKE, JKM and JTMK.
Hello, I'm Roshni from DEP 4A and I'm going to talk about part 1. Okay, if you see, I'm showing you the findings of our mini project, and you can see that the gender that has respond for our questions are male, which are 14, and female, which are 35. Which it represents male 28% and female are 72%. The semesters that has respond to us are SEM 2, SEM 3, SEM 4 and SEM 5. The department that has responded to us are Communal Department, Electrical Department, Information Communication Technology Department and Mechanical Department. And you can see by the numbers that all the department has respond to us, but semester 1 hasn't respond to us. So let's go to part B. Okay, you can see in part B there are 4 parts that are divided, and in that it actually shows you how many times that PSP students go to the library in a week. Almost 1/3 respondents go 1 time, while slightly more than a quarter respond 2 times. If you see it, and you can see that slightly more than a quarter respond 4 times a week, while almost a fifth of respondents choose 3 times a week to go to the library of Polytechnic Seberang Perai. Bar chart above shows the number of respondents according to what they think about upgrading the student locker in PSP library. Y represent the number of respondents, while X represent the respondents' opinion. There were 4 types of answer provided, which were strongly agree, disagree and strongly disagree. It is clear known for the graph that most of the respondents strongly agree that the management should upgrade the student locker in PSP library. Meanwhile, of the respondents who choose agree were fractionally lower than respondents who choose strongly agree. Furthermore, numbers respondents who disagree were slightly stronger than strongly disagree. That's all for me. Thank you.
Is about printing and photostat services in PSP library. The pie chart above shows on the printing and photostat services in PSP library. The pie chart consists of 4 segments which were very satisfied, dissatisfied and neutral. The biggest segment of this pie was satisfied segment, which was accounted by 62%. The segment was close to 2/3 of the whole pie chart. Slightly over 1/10 of respondents answered neutral for printing and photostat services in PSP library. slightly more than a tenth of respondents answered very satisfied for printing and photostat services in PSP library. And lastly, exactly a tenth of respondents answered dissatisfied for printing and photostat services in PSP library. So now let's go to figure 4. So guys, figure 4 is about fast Wi-Fi access in PSP library. So the bar chart above shows the number of respondents according to what they feel and how fast the Wi-Fi access in PSP library. The y-axis represents the number of respondents while the x-axis represents the opinion of the respondents. There were two types of answer provided, which were yes and no. It is clearly known that the graph, the most of the respondents answered yes, that the Wi-Fi PSP access is very fast. Meanwhile, the respondent who chose no was significantly lower than the respondent who chose yes.
Look at our figure 5. So the pie chart shows the increasing the number of charging ports in PSP library. The pie chart consisted of 3 segments, which were agreed, disagreed and strongly agreed. The biggest segment of this pie was the agreed segment, which was accounted by 46%, and this segment was almost half, 46% of the whole pie chart. Below, a half of respondents answered strongly agreed for increasing the number of charging ports in PSP library. Meanwhile, the disagreed segment only accounted by 12%. It shows that this segment was slightly more than 1/10 of the total. To sum up, most of the respondents think that increasing the number of charging ports in PSP library were agreed. Next is figure number 6. The pie chart above shows the number of respondents according to what they feel about provide mind games to reduce stress in PSP library. Y-axis represents the number of respondents while the x-axis represents the opinion of respondents. There were 4 types of answers provided, which were agreed, strongly agreed, disagreed and strongly disagreed. It is clear from the graph that most of the respondents were agreed to the management should provide mind games to reduce stress in PSP library. Meanwhile, for the respondents who choose strongly agreed were fractionally lower than the respondents who prefer agreed. Moreover, number of respondents who disagreed were slightly higher than strongly disagreed. Next question is about pie chart. The pie chart above shows respondents' opinion towards the computer performance in PSP library. There were 4 segments in the pie chart, which were agreed, strongly agreed, disagreed, strongly disagreed. Nearly 3/4, 74% of respondents answered agreed towards the computer performance in PSP library. Below a fifth, 40% of respondents answered disagreed towards the computer performance in PSP library, while close to 1/10, 8% of respondents answered strongly agreed. Lastly, less than 1/10, which means 4% of respondents answered strongly disagreed to the statement.
Hi, my name is Shaimila. I'm from DP4A and my matrix number is 10DP19F105. So today I'm going to talk about this bar chart where it consists of 2. The title of this paragraph is providing a place to rest and relax in PSP library. So there's 4 options where the respondent have to choose strongly agree, agree, disagree, strongly disagree. So the bar chart above shows the number of responding according to what they do. They think about providing a place to rest and relax in PSP library. As you can see, y-axis represent the number of respondents while x-axis represent the respondent's opinion. There were 4 types of answers provided, which were strongly agree, agreed, disagreed and strongly disagreed. So you can see it's clearly known from the graph that the most of the respondents strongly agreed that the management should provide a place to rest and relax in PSP library. Meanwhile, for the respondent who chose agreed were fractionally lower than the respondent who chose strongly agreed. Furthermore, number of respondents who disagreed was slightly higher than strongly disagreed. So we'll see the next. which is figure 9. Figure 9 is cleanliness rating of toilet in PSP library. So as you can see, this is pie chart. The pie chart shows the students rating towards cleanliness of toilet in PSP library. The pie chart was divided into 4 segments, as you can see in the slide above, which were 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5. Respondents who rated 4 to 5 were slightly more than 10, while almost a quarter, 24%, as you can see in the pie chart above, rated 1 to 2. Slightly more than a quarter of respondents, 28%, rated 2 to 3, while slightly more than 36% rated 3 to 4. You can see that the slide shown below represented the speech I've talked. Lastly is figure 10, which is upgrading air conditioner in PSP library. The bar chart above shows the number of respondents according to what think about upgrading air conditioner in PSP library. Y-axis represent the number of respondents, while x-axis represent the respondent opinion. There were 4 types of answers provided, which were strongly agreed, disagreed, and strongly disagreed. It's clearly known from the graph that most of the respondents agreed that management should upgrade air conditioner in PSP library. Meanwhile, for the respondents who choose agreed was significantly higher than the respondents who choose strongly agreed. We have classified the 4 according to what they think. However, the number of respondents who disagree was slightly higher than strongly disagree. It represented in the slide above. Lastly, I will explain about the conclusion. There were 50% of students who goes to the library. The main purpose of student goes to the library is for studying resources. So usually students go to the library is to find resources like books or information they gathered for their research. The library should be improvised. So like the library should have more facilities so that students will be happy, and they prioritize library to go in a weekly basis. So lastly is student visit the library on a weekly basis. And the recommendation. So we hope that it can enhance the comfort of the library complexes, and we should also upgrade strong and fast Wi-Fi networks so that the students can finish their work easily without any complication. Next is management should upgrade the air conditioner in PSP library. And lastly is increase the computer performance in PSP library. That's all from me.
And lastly guys, this is the reference. So to improve our PSP library, we can use these both links so that in future we can see a better library for the upcoming PSP students. Okay, then thank you.